Jai Hind everyone, welcome to live class of math. This is Deepak sir. I will discuss today cube and cube roots. This is revised portion. Let us start cube. Students, we have already read what the means of the cube. Suppose we take example 2 power 3. What we can say? 2 raised to 2 raised to 3 or 2 cube. It means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 power 3, that means you have to write 2 3 times. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. What will write the answer? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 2 2s are 4 and 4 into 2, that is 8. Students, again 2 cube, 2 raised to 3, or we can say 2 cube. 2 cube, that means 2 we can write 3 times. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. How we can multiply it? 2 into 2, that means 2 2s are 4. Now multiply 2 here and 4 2s are 8. Clear, students? Let's one more example we are taking. Five power cube. Same thing. 5 power cube. 5 raised to 3, 5 raised to 3 or 5 cube. 5 cube. Simplify. 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. 5 into 5. 5 into 5, that is what? 5 5 is 25. Then multiply 5. 25 multiply 5 is what answer? 125. 125. The issue is clear. I think cube portion we have already discussed, but now again we are revising. So issue is clear. Next we just talk about the perfect cube. What are perfect cubes? Perfect cube. Suppose we are taking example here 64. How we can describe this one? 64 is a perfect cube. First of all, we will find LCM by using prime factorization method. Issue is, now you just understood what are for prime factorization. Prime factorization that means we will take the only prime number. Now one question more. What are prime numbers? Prime numbers, it means a number having a 2 factors, or it is divisible by 1 and 7. Prime number that is having 2 factors or it is divisible by 1 and 7. Clear? So when you want to find factorization of 64, 64. 64. Now one more question. 64. There are many prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, and many more. So 64. We will see the divisibility test. Last digit is 4. So 4 divided by 2. 2 3 are 6. 2 2 are 4. Again the last digit is that is unit place 2. 2 then 16. Again 8, 4, 2, then at last how many times here? 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How we can replace? If you want 60, we want to see the perfect cube. 64 equal 2 multiply 2. That is, you will write the 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 power cube into 2 power cube. This is 2 power 3 and 2 power 3. Now here is 3 as a common by the exponent law. 2 and 3 plus 3. What value will become? 6. 2 power 6. When 2 power 6 64 equal 2 power 6, and you want to check it is the form of perfect cube or not. Here we have got 2 power 3 into 2 power 3. It means if number is having the power cube, it shows that 64 is whatever number we have got. This there 2 power is the 3, 2 is the power of 3. If number is having the power of 3, then all numbers, multiple numbers. So it means this is the perfect cube. Here we can see 64, whatever we have factored, whatever we have find with the help of the LCM, or by prime factorization, what we have got 2 multiple 2 is the 6 time. Now we have paired it in the 3 form, 2 power 3 into 2 power 3. So it means this is the perfect cube. So we have taken the example of this perfect cube. Now we are going to one more example, but we don't know this is a perfect cube or not. This number we are taking. Same rule. 36, first I will find the prime factorization. Look, 2, 6 is the unit place, that means it is divided by 2. 18, now again unit place is 8, divided by 2. 9, now 9 is divided by 3, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Students, you can ask here, why we have not taken here 9? Because 9 is not a prime number. Here whatever number we will take, only prime number. 2 is the prime number, 3 also prime number. 36 equal 2 multiply 2, here should 2 is the 2 times and 3 also 2 times. Multiply 3, multiply 3. 2 square, multiply 3 square. Look, previous question 64 we have done, the 2 power cube into 2 power cube. But here 2 square into 3 square. This is the form of the square, not the cube. Question, what we can say? It is not a form of cube. It is not a form of cube. So 36 is not a perfect cube because no number, whatever the multiple numbers here, it is not having on the exponent as a 3. So 36 is not a perfect cube. One more example we can take. 1000, same rule. 2, 500, 2, 250, then 2, 125, then 5, 25, then 5. We have done this. 1000 equal 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. Here 2 is the how many times? 3 times 2 power 3 into 5 is how many times? 3 and 5 power 3. Look students, 1000 having the numbers 2 power 3 multiply 5 power 3, both having the cubic form. 2 power 3 into 5 power 3. So it means 1000 is a perfect cube. Clear students? I think cube and perfect cube you have cleared. Now students, we just want to discuss we want to just revise exercise 4b, its shortcut method. How we can use this any value in a cubic form. Suppose 2 cube is the 8. Simply we can multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. But shortcut method, how we can use to find the cube value, any cube value, use the shortcut method. See everyone. Shortcut method. Students, when you have done square and square roots, square and square their shortcut method, we have used two methods. First column method, second is the diagonal method. Column method you have used the identities a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square. Then a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is for square, to finding the square of any given. This is square, this is column method. But in cube, if you want to find the cube by using the shortcut method, here we will use the a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube. This formula we will use. This is the identity. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab, then multiply in the bracket a plus b. This is the formula. A cube plus b cube plus, now open a bracket. 3, no here is the any number. So, but we can assume here the 1. So 3 1 is 3. Clear? A is the power 1, here also a multiply a, that is a power 1 multiply a power 1, a power 2. B, not here b in this place, so we will write only the b here. Plus 3, similar, a b square. Now we will arrange this one, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Look, a plus b whole cube is the identities. We will manually expand it. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab and in the bracket a plus b. A cube we will write here, b cube, 3ab when multiplied to a, only variable will match and this will be power 2, other value will be same, plus similar for b square and 3. We have got here a cube, now we will arrange it, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. This is the final. When we use the column method, we will use this formula, this expanded. How we will arrange in the column? We will see. For column method, first of all draw 4 columns. This way we have to draw, and what you have written the first when you have got the expanded value of a plus b whole cube, a cube plus 3 a square b plus 3ab square, then b cube. We will arrange here a cube 3 a square b 3 ab square and b cube. This we have arranged. How we will multiply? Strength. A cube, so we can write this way. A square multiply A. This way we can write 3 into B, and then or we can write 3B. 3B multiply A square is here. So a square we can write the uplift. Look. And 3. Here say b square, then 3. B cube is here. We can write b square multiply b. Again, explain. Say one. A cube. So a cube, how we can arrange? A cube, that means a square multiply a. A will be left. A will multiply this way. A square is here. First you write a square and 3 into b. 3b. 3 ab square, so b square will write, then 3a. Here b cube is here. B square and b. This way we will arrange our value. Whatever do you want to cube. Students, up till here, now you will not have no need to write this. These things you will write. Clear, students? So now we just taking the one example here, and to understand this, how to find this. First value we are taking 75 cube. 75 cube. We have to find the 75 cube. How we will find the 75 cube? The rule is here 75 cube, because here we have two variables a and b. So we will take here a as a 7 and b as a 5. Here we will decide a equal 7 and b equal 5. Now write the first of all formula. A square multiply a square. What value we have taken? A 7. 7 square. 7 into 7, 49. And multiply 7. A square. What value we have taken? A 7. 7 square, that is 49. Multiply 7. Clear? Next one. A square multiply 3b. Multiply 3. A square same 49. 3b. 3 into 5. 3 into 5. 3 5 is 15. 3 5 are 15. Next 3ab square, b square and 3b. B square, that is what? B value is the 5. The 5 square 25. 3b, sorry, 3a. B square and 3a. 3 into a, that means 3 7 is 21. Next one is b cube, means b square into b. B square 5 square 25 into 5. We have arranged the value. Students, again I am telling this one how we have arranged this one. We have got the value, we want to cube 75. First value is the 7. Second value 5. So first value A we will take as a 7 and B value we will take as a 5. So A equals 7 and B equals 5. What we have got, A plus B whole cube final. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square and b cube. How we have arranged? A cube a square multiply b, that is the same as a cube. 3ab a square and 3b we are written. 3ab square, that means b square and 3ab. Similar b cube b square into b. A value what we have? 7. 7 square is 49 and A 7. A square, that is 7 square. 7 square is 49. A value is 7. 3a square. So A square is 7 square 49. 3b, 3 multiply b. B value is the 5. 3 5 is 15. 15 here we have taken. Next 3ab square b square into 3. So b square is what? 5. 5 square 25. 3a, 3 into 7. 3 into 7. 3 7 is 21. B cube, so b square into b. B square is 5 square 25 and b 5. 25 into 5. Now we multiply this. 25 5 are 125. First one we multiply. 21 5 means this one you multiply. 25 1 is 25 and 25 2 is 50. 25 1 is 25, 25 2 is 50. 50 plus 2 525. Then this one 15 9 is what is 35 13. 15 4 is 60. 60 plus 10 70 73. 7 9 is 63 6. 10 4 is 28 plus 6 34. We have got this one. Students, now see everyone. Up till I think everyone understood. 25 multiply 5 125. 25 into 21 525. This one is 735 and 343. There is no space, so we just remove. What we have got? This is next step. 125. This one is 525. 735. 343. Look, students, what we have got? 125. This value 525, 735, 343. You can type its downside. Now here we will place 5. We will like this. We will do this. Underline. And what left? Only unit place we will underline. Start from the very right side. 12 will come this side. This side it will be add 1 12. 5 to 7, 2 1 3. This one is 5. Now here this one is underlined. 53. 53 will come this side. 53 again it will add. Now 8 will be underlined. 78 will come this side. 8 3 11, 12, 4. So what will become? 421 is here underlined. Only 8 here. This is only 7. This one is 5. We are just circling. What value we will take? So 75 cube. What will write the answer? Five cube. 121, 8, 7, then 5. It will be your answer. 75 cube, 121, 8, 7, 5 is 4,21,870. Clear students? Everyone? How we have got this one? One example also I am taking. One more way. Cube. Say A value is 2, B value is 6. A value is 2 and B value is 6. Same format. A cube, then A square B. Here is A square 3B. Here we will take the B square TA and B cube, that is B square B. This way. This way. A square, here we have A value is 2. 2 square, that is 4. It is 4. A value is 2. 2 4 the 8. 2 4 the 8. A square, again 4. 3B, 3 6 the 18. B square, 6. 6 square 36. 3 into 8, 3 2 is 6. B square 6 square 36 same and 6 is here. Now multiply. 6 6 is 36. 6 3 is 18. 216. Here 6 6 is sorry. Here we will take it to 6. A value we have taken 2 and B value is 6. Okay? So 3 into 8. So 3 2 is 6. Yes, it is right. 6 3 is 36 and 6 3 is because here we are getting the same values here. Clear? 18 4 is 72 and 4 2 is 8. The last digit from the right side. 6 we are taking 21. It will come this side. 21 will be added. 6 1 7 7 2 1 3 then 2. Now 7 23 will come this side. 3 2 5 and 7 2 9. Now 5 9 will come this side. 17. 17 is the whole. 5, 7 and 6. This value will assemble 26 power cube equal 17, 5, 7 and 6. 17,576. It will be our answer. So students, I think this shortcut method you understood. How we will find out 26 power cube, and previously we have done the 75. So everyone noted that how we have done. I think previous class also we have done. Students, now what we have learned today: cube, perfect cube, and how to find a shortcut method using this method, this shortcut method. A plus b whole cube, that means a cube, 3a square b, 3ab square and b. Students, now next exercise, that is 4c. We will start from next class. Students, be prepared, and if you understood, then just note it down on your copy, on your notebook. Clear, students? So students, now everyone take care. Jai Hind students.